Good evening, my name is Richard Peña. Practice 10. Let's see who's speaking today. Mary's sister loves sipping juices. Frank's speaking about horses' saddles. Tom's zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. Let's zigzag on the ice with Philip's skates. The candidates' speeches sound false. Thousands saw Shakira's show. Her face showed a nice smile. Wendy's sisters liked sausages. The Cyclops said, "This cheese sticks." Oh, alone, go. Only, no, no. Open, throw, show. Over, thrown, throw. Okay. John, grow. Ocean, stone, flow. Owner, coat, tomato. Oh dear, come, potato. Phone John at home. Don't go to throw stones. It snows on groves. Your own Joe, a phone call. My nose and throat hurts. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go to the show alone. Somebody has stolen my comb.